Cozy bedrooms are sanctuaries of comfort and relaxation, designed to provide a haven from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The defining element of a cozy bedroom is the warm ambience that envelops the space. Soft, muted colors dominate the palette, creating a soothing atmosphere that invites tranquility. Plush textiles such as velvety blankets and overstuffed pillows add layers of comfort, transforming the bedroom into a cocoon of serenity. Natural elements play a crucial role in crafting a cozy retreat. Wooden furniture, whether it be a rustic bed frame or bedside tables, brings warmth and a touch of nature into the room. Soft, ambient lighting, perhaps from strategically placed table lamps or string lights, further enhances the inviting aura, creating a space where one can unwind and escape the harsh glare of artificial lighting. Personalization is key in cozy bedrooms. Meaningful decor, such as family photos or cherished mementos, adds a personal touch, fostering a sense of belonging. Thoughtfully chosen artwork and textiles contribute to the overall aesthetic, making the room feel like a reflection of the occupant's personality and preferences. Functionality merges seamlessly with coziness in well-designed bedrooms. Clever storage solutions keep clutter at bay, ensuring a tidy and organized space conducive to relaxation. Comfortable seating areas, whether a cozy reading nook or a plush armchair, provide options for unwinding activities, making the bedroom a versatile retreat for various leisure pursuits. In conclusion, cozy bedrooms go beyond mere decor. They are carefully curated havens that prioritize comfort, personalization, and functionality. These intimate spaces offer a respite from the demands of the outside world, cocooning their inhabitants in warmth and serenity for restful nights and rejuvenating mornings. Furthermore, the choice of bedding in cozy bedrooms is paramount to creating an inviting atmosphere. Luxuriously soft sheets, comforters, and pillows crafted from high-quality materials contribute to the tactile pleasure of the space. A well-made bed, with layers of linens and cushions, becomes a focal point that beckons for a peaceful night's sleep or a leisurely weekend morning. The layout of cozy bedrooms is often carefully considered to optimize the flow and functionality of the space. Thoughtful arrangements of furniture create cozy nooks and open areas, ensuring a harmonious balance between aesthetics and practicality. Intimate corners with soft rugs, perhaps complemented by a small side table for essentials, offer micro-environments within the larger room, allowing for moments of solitude or quiet reflection. In essence, cozy bedrooms are a holistic blend of design elements, textures, and personalized touches that elevate them beyond mere sleeping quarters. They stand as retreats tailored to the individual, promoting a sense of well-being and providing a comforting refuge at the end of each day. These spaces seamlessly weave together the elements of design, personalization, and functionality to cocoon their occupants in a haven of warmth and tranquility. Thanks for watching.